Hello mga Marce! Update ko na kayo dito sa iniinom kong Isuti Herbal Tea. Finally, nahanap ko na ang natural way to support my health. Ang ganda kasi ng benefits nitong Isuti dahil it packed with insulin plants, that's why it's helped with sugar levels and cholesterol. Very helpful to kung bumababa na ang natural insulin natin sa katawan dahil ang uncontrolled blood sugar can lead to serious damage to nerves, blood vessels, kidneys, and eyes, increasing the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other complications. Ang maganda dito, wala itong additives at 100% natural. I added it to my routine and I'm loving the results. It improved my digestion, kaya no more bloated feeling. At pagising ko nga sa umaga, mas productive ang araw ko at mas ginaganahan akong gumalaw-galaw. Nagustuhan ko to dahil may citrus taste at hindi mapait, kaya nakaka-refresh kapag iniinom. I drink this every morning and before bedtime. Isuti is my secret weapon for a healthy blood sugar and body. It's so easy to add to your day and it makes a huge difference. Kaya subukan mo na rin ang Isuti. Available in Mercury Drug, Southstar Drug, SM Cultura, and online shop.